Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the latest vacancies in finance domain for this week. So let's start the video. Friends, first vacancy is from State Bank of India. Name of post is probationary officer. Qualification asked is graduation. Final year student is eligible. Upper age limit is 30 years. There are 600 vacancies. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, these are permanent vacancies. No prior experience asked. Here package per annum is approx 18.67 lakhs. Mode of application is online and last date is 16th January 2025. Friends, before we move on to the next vacancy, I would like to inform you at Finance MCQ we are offering various courses covering the entire technical syllabus of your examination, and we keep on adding new courses for your preparation as you can see on your screen. So visit Finance MCQ website, take a demo of your course and start your preparation. Website link and coupon code is mentioned in the description. You can check them. I wish you all the best for your examination. Moving on, friends, next vacancy is from Assam Gas Company Limited. Name of post is Officer Finance and Accounts. Their qualification asked is either a CA, CMA or BCom with minimum 60% marks and past MBA Finance or PGDM Finance with minimum 65% marks. Age limit is 30 years. There are 5 vacancy. Place of posting is in Assam. Friends, these are permanent vacancies. You need to have 2 years of experience. A per month pay scale in the range of 30,000 to 1,10,000. Mode of application is offline and last date is 31st Jan 2025. Moving on. And next vacancy is from Maharashtra State Power Generation Company Limited. The name of post is Cost Management Trainees. Qualification asked is either CA, CMA or CA Inter, CMA Inter. Age limit is 38 years. There are 40 vacancy. Place of posting is in Maharashtra. Friends, it's a stipendary based vacancy. No prior experience asked. Here you will be paid monthly stipend of rupees 15,000 to 22,000 for first year, 21,000 to 30,000 second year and 27,000 to 37,500 for third year. Mode of application is offline and last date is 27th January 2025. The next vacancy is from MP Paschim Kshetra Vidyut Vitran Company Limited. Name of post is Accounts Officer Trainee. Qualification asked is either CA, CMA, MBA Finance, PGDM Finance with minimum 60% marks, 50% marks for SC, ST, PWD, EWS category of MP domicile. Age limit is 40 to 45 years as per the category. Friends, there are 16 vacancy. Place of posting is in Madhya Pradesh. These are permanent vacancies. No prior experience asked. You will be in the pay scale of 56,100 to 1,77,500. Mode of application is online and last date is 21st Feb 2025. Moving on, the next vacancy is from Rights Limited. Name of post is Assistant Manager Finance. Here the qualification asked is either a CA or a CMA. Upper age limit is 32 years. There are 12 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. And these are permanent vacancies. You need to have 2 years of experience. A package per annum is approx 14.46 lakhs. Mode of application is online and last date is 4th Feb 2025. Moving on, the next vacancy is again from Rights Limited. Name of post is Section Officer Finance. Here the qualification asked is either CA Inter, CMA Inter, MCom or MBA Finance. Age limit is 32 years. There are 10 vacancy. Place of posting is all over India. And these are permanent vacancies. You need to have 2 years of experience. A package per annum is approx 9.7 lakhs per annum. Mode of application is online and last date is 4th Feb 2025. Moving on, the next vacancy is from Cent Bank Financial Services Limited. The name of post is Manager Accounts. Qualification asked is either MBA Finance, CA Inter or CMA Inter. Age limit is 35 years. There is 1 vacancy. Place of posting is in Mumbai. Friends, it's a contractual job. You need to have 1 year of experience. Your package per annum is approx 4.2 lakhs to 4.8 lakh. Mode of application is online and last date is 15th Jan 2025. Moving on, the next vacancy is from the Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank Limited. The name of post is Accountant cum Head Cashier. Here the qualification asked is graduation with minimum 55% marks. Domicile of Meghalaya is required. Age limit is 30 years. There are 20 vacancy. Place of posting is in Meghalaya. And these are permanent vacancies. No prior experience asked. Here per month salary is rupees 40,000. Mode of application is online and last date is 15th Jan 2025. The next vacancy is from Bharat Electronics Limited. The name of post is Junior Assistant HR. Qualification asked is graduation in BCom, BBA, BBM along with knowledge in computer operation. Age limit is 28 years. There are 3 vacancy. Place of posting is in Pune. Friends, is a permanent vacancy. No prior experience asked. Package per annum is 5.94 lakhs. Mode of application is online and last date is 29th Jan 2025. So that's all for this week, friend. I hope you find this vacancy useful. Do share with your friends and family whom you think that these vacancies might be useful, and I'll see you all in the next week with the latest updates. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.